Hello amazing people, it's your girl Blick and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be doing a holiday makeup look. So guys, you know we're in December, it's the Christmas season. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get right into it. Concealer, a little bit at the back of my hand. I'm going to put a little bit. Same thing for this side. Today I want to go for a simple look but with a pop of a red gloss. And I'm going to start from the lower part, spreading it, going upwards. So I'm seeing tons of many YouTubers. Everyone is like uploading videos almost like daily. And I'm thinking to myself, I would want to do that, but I'm a homebody. It's not like I have a lot to show you guys. This eyeshadow palette, this color. So I'm going to start from the outer part, spreading it. So I'm just tapping and tapping. Maybe this color. So I'm going to pack this second shade onto the first one, then I blend with the third shade. So for the last transitioning color, I'm going to use this palette. I'm just blending it out in a circular motion. And I'm sorry guys, my light is up and down, but please bear with me. I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer. Just going to blend and blend. I didn't cut a crease, but I'm just packing this shade onto the places where I placed my concealer. I'm just using a dark brown to smoke out the ends of my eyeshadow. Using this shade for the inner corner of my eyes. Use a black eyeshadow as my eyeliner just up to here. So I'm just going to blend out this black with these shades. For the eyelashes, I used the Fashion Fox eyelashes, sorry. I'm just going to clean my face with this clean wipe. I'm going to use the Sentivest moisturizer. I don't know guys if you can hear like any noise. There is a construction going on back there. Guys, I'm going to use that Black Opal Prime. I'm going to use this foundation. It's the darkest foundation I have, so I want to use it as a contouring cream, and I'm going to do that for my forehead. Just my forehead, my cheekbones. And I'm going to blend that in with this brush. Is what I'm also going to use for the foundation. It's double-sided. I'm going to use this for the concealer for the dark part and this for the foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to be using this Kiss Beauty. I'm going to use this lipstick as my blush cream. Blend it out with a brush. For the concealer, I'm going to use the MB Cosmetic Concealer. Blend out my concealer, and I'm going to use this Damn Beauty blender. I'm just going in back with this Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan just to lighten up my under eye area. I'm done with applying all my products, my cream products. Now I'm going to go in with the powder, and I'm using the Ezekiel Let's Face It Palette shade. So guys, I'm going in with my Eda Loose setting powder. Guys, I'm going to just dust off my setting powder. Compressed powder just to set the rest of my face. I'm going in with a blush, and I'm going to use the Kylie's Diary. I'm just using a black eyeshadow just to smoke out my lash line, it's as called
well as a brown
waterproof
color.
mascara. I'm going to use this Naked Kiss Beauty fixing spray.
Using this shade as my highlighter.
We are done with our face, and we are moving on to the lips. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first line my lips with a brown lip liner. It's from the MB Cosmetics Amsterdam. It's a red gloss. It's a gloss bomb.
Guys, that's it for our final look. See you in our next video. Bye bye.